Unit 1, Typescript 1.1.
Hello, I'm Paola.
Hello, I'm Yosef.
Typescript 1.2. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Pablo. What's your name?
My name's Mika.
Hello, Mika.
Typescript 1.3. This is...
Ben, this is Mika. Mika, this is Ben.
Hello, Ben.
Hello, Mika.
Typescript 1.4. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name's Judy Koblenz.
Hello, I'm Robert Smith. Nice to meet you.
And you.
Typescript 1.5. English names.
James Bond, Robert Taylor, Henry Baker,
Susie Walsh. Anita Johnson. Catherine Smith.
Typescript 1.6. How are you? 1.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
Fine, thanks, Pablo. And you?
I'm okay, thanks.
2.
Hello, Mika. How are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Typescript 1.7. 1.
Hello, my name's Anna. What's your name?
My name's Mario.
2.
Max, this is Carla.
Hi, Carla.
Hello, Max. Nice to meet you.
3.
Hi, Ada. How are you?
Fine, thanks, David. And you?
Very well, thanks.
Typescript 1.8. Everyday English. 1.
Good morning.
Good morning. What a lovely day.
2.
Good afternoon. Hello. A cup of tea, please.
3.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you later.
4.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
Typescript 1.9. 1.
Good morning. How are you today?
Fine, thanks.
2.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. A cup of coffee, please.
3.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. And you. See you later.
4.
Good night. Sleep well.
Thank you. And you?
Typescript 1.10. Vocabulary. 1.
A book.
2.
A computer.
3.
A television.
4,
A phone.
5,
A bus.
6,
A car.
7,
A hamburger.
8,
A sandwich.
9,
A camera.
10,
A photograph.
11,
A bag.
12.
A house.
Tape script 1.11.
What's this in English?
It's a photograph.
Tape script 1.12. Numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tape script 1.13. Plurals. A,
5 books.
B,
3 cars.
C,
8 houses.
D,
7 cameras.
E,
9 photographs.
F,
2 sandwiches.
G,
4 computers.
H,
6 buses.
I.
10 students.
Tape script 1.14. Pronunciation.
S. Books. Photographs. Students. Z. Cars. Computers. Hamburgers. Cameras. Televisions. Bags. Phones. Is. Sandwiches. Houses. Buses.